The entire universe operates according to a set of rules that cannot be broken. These rules, also referred to as universal laws or principles, are always in effect, no matter where you are. Some of these laws govern the physical world, while others pertain to the quantum or spiritual realms. Spiritual laws are just as reliable as physical laws, and they influence every aspect of life on Earth. For thousands of years, ancient mystics and philosophers have been aware of and discussed these spiritual laws. However, many people today remain unaware of them. These laws have been passed down through generations of wisdom and teachings, yet they haven't received widespread recognition or understanding. Many believe that if you fully grasp and apply these spiritual laws, you can make anything happen in the real world. One of the key principles is that what you sow is what you reap. Many religious texts echo this concept. Every action, thought, and intention you put into the world carries an invisible seed, an energy that seeks to return to you in equal measure. In other words, whatever you plant in your mind will eventually manifest in your external world. It's just like planting a mango tree. First, you gather rich, fertile soil. Then, you select a mango seed, provide it with water and sunlight, and when the time is right, the seed grows into a mighty tree. The same applies to your life. Your mind is the soil, your thoughts are the seeds, your actions are the water, and your emotions are the sunlight. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and negativity, you will harvest despair. However, if you plant seeds of love, gratitude, and abundance, you will flourish with beauty and joy. The universe is impartial. It responds to the seeds you sow and faithfully brings forth what you have planted. Steve Maraboli once said, "Plant seeds of happiness, hope, success, and love, and they will all return to you in abundance." This is the law of nature. The reason most people don't get what they want in life often boils down to one common tendency: focusing too much on what they don't want. There's a popular saying, "Energy flows where attention goes," and it holds a lot of truth. When you focus your attention on something, it tends to grow. This is because everything in the universe is made up of energy, and similar energies attract one another. If you constantly dwell on the negative or on what you lack, you unintentionally attract more of the same. Your attention and energy are directed toward what you don't want, and you find yourself stuck in a cycle, attracting more unwanted circumstances. Your thoughts and consciousness are deeply connected to the world around you. If you think about something intensely and with focus, it is likely to become a reality. This idea is supported by quantum physics, particularly in the double-slit experiment, which shows that conscious observation can influence the outcome of an experiment and even shape reality. So, how can you apply this principle? Start by considering what you want to accomplish in your life, whether it's personal or related to your work. Take a piece of paper and write down your goal. Be as specific as you can about what you want to achieve. This act of writing helps clarify your intention and brings focus to your goal. Next, take a moment to visualize yourself already having achieved this goal. Close your eyes and imagine living in that reality. Picture the details and circumstances surrounding your accomplishment. Allow yourself to feel the joy, satisfaction, and fulfillment that would come with achieving this goal. By visualizing and connecting with these positive emotions, you cultivate a sense of positivity and confidence about your goal. However, thoughts and words alone are not enough to manifest your desires. Action is the bridge that connects your dreams to reality. Now it's time to take action toward your goal. Break it down into smaller, manageable steps that you can work on daily. These actions might include making phone calls, sending emails, conducting research, or any other tasks that bring you closer to your goal. Remember, it is through consistent, intentional action that you manifest the life you envision. Trust the process. Your time is coming. Just do the work, and the results will follow. Believe that the universe is working in your favor. Trust that everything is unfolding as it should, and that you will achieve your goal. Embrace the belief that you will receive what you desire at the perfect time for you. So, my friend, plant seeds of expectation in your mind. Cultivate thoughts that anticipate achievement. Believe in yourself and your ability to overcome all obstacles and weaknesses. And always remember this: you have the power to plant wealth, or you can plant poverty. You can plant misery, or you can plant happiness. It's entirely up to you, because you are always reaping what you sow. Speak words of love, encouragement, and empowerment to others and yourself. Let your words become a beacon of hope, a ray of light that illuminates the path to your dreams. Plant seeds of kindness and compassion, for they will grow into a bountiful harvest of goodwill and abundance. If you've made it this far, congratulations on your continued pursuit of wisdom. May these spiritual laws always work in your favor as you navigate through life. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and if you found this helpful, please share the video. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day.